It's your boy, Jesus Sparta. Yo, Chubby. This one is the international lookout. What? Come on.
68 land of square mile. That's our sweet little island. High up to Mount Layamiga. FK got the island fever. Watch the gal them round ya, how they wine and bend over. That's how we do it in a St. Wine it to the sweet, sweet rhythm. 869 is the way to go. Nice sandy beach with a paradise flow. Friday time be like a street show. When we on 4th Street I drink up for sure. Say party can done, line can done. That's how we live in a St. Kitts. We got the Caribbean fever. Caribbean vibes and the sweetest lime, and the sweetest vibe, the Caribbean vibe. Caribbean vibe, yes, the sweetest lime, and the sweetest vibe, the Caribbean vibe. She crossed to the sister island where we say, leave it's nice, man. Don't forget the Anguilla, where the fans them love all the Sparta. Barbados scrap over. Plenty gala wine and bend over. That's how we live in West Indies, cause they got the Caribbean fever. 869 is the way to go. Sweet sugar came with a paradise flow. Weekend time is like a big show. When we over the ship I drink up for sure. No vibes can done, action can't done. That's how we do it in a St. Kitts, cause we got the culture fever. Caribbean vibes are the sweetest lime, and the sweetest vibe, the Caribbean vibe. Caribbean vibe, yes, the sweetest lime, and the sweetest vibe, the Caribbean vibes. We got the vibes.
Yes. Big up all the Caribbean islands around the world. Trinidad, Barbados, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, St. Lucia, Grenada. We are one. We are one Caribbean island.
We got the vibes.
This one is an international look. It's your boy Jesus Sparta. Grand beats, classic promotion.
We got the vibes.
More than 4. Come on.
Caribbean vibes and the sweetest lime, and the sweetest vibe, the Caribbean vibe. Caribbean vibe, yes, the sweetest lime, and the sweetest vibe, the Caribbean vibes.